Some people may think the key to wealth is saving money, but I'm here to tell you that the key to wealth is not saving money or making a lot of money. Now what I mean by this is that you can get rich by making a lot of money, but you can't be wealthy by making a lot of money if you don't complete the steps that I'm about to show you in this video. But I know you just don't want to hear the simple investing. I want to tell you guys today the way to make more money on top of your money is to make your money work for you. And by doing this, you're going to need to put your money into a type of trading account, a type of investment account that will pay you compound interest, or that will pay you return on your investment every month or every week. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a crypto trading platform that you absolutely have to do no work at all, no trading at all. All you do is invest an initial investment, and you can make 3% compound interest every single week with doing no work whatsoever. The way Novatech works is you have to invest over $200 to start up your trading account. Once you put in an initial investment of $200, you will be making an average of 3% compound interest each week. These payouts are made on every Friday, and they've been around for 4 years, going on 5 years now, without a missed payout. And I know what you're thinking, crypto is kind of shady and, you know, compound interest accounts, and I was thinking the same way. But when I first got started with this company, I started out with $500. I seen that they were pretty trustworthy, and as time went on, I put in more money and more money until eventually I got to $10,000, and I seen how good my money was working for me, and I seen how much money I could be making with this platform. So I got up to $30,000 in my trading account and was making over $1,000 on every single Friday, with absolutely doing no work at all. But with all that being said, man, let's hop straight into this video, and I'm gonna show you how you can make passive income with this platform, step by step, everything you need to know so that you can start making over $1,000 a week. Stay tuned for more after the intro. Woo! As you can see from the intro, man, we are going to be going over how you can make so much money on this crypto trading platform doing no work at all. If you don't know already, this platform is called Novatech. Novatech has been around for almost 5 years now without a missed payout. They've grossed over 1 million members, guys, and like I said, they're not missing any payouts. They're totally trustworthy. I am not working for Novatech whatsoever. As you can see, I'm in my house, but like I said, man, this is an absolutely good platform, and I want to share this knowledge to you guys so you can start making as much money as me. So to get started with Novatech, all you have to do is click the link in the description and sign up so that you can save your first 2 months monthly membership free. If you hit the link in the description and sign up under my Novatech link, you can get the first 2 months. That is $50, guys, $25 a month, and monthly membership fees absolutely free. And guys, the key to this Novatech is to invest over $200. I want to say start off with $300 just to be safe, so that you can be making, you know, $10 to $15 a week, so that that monthly membership fee of $25 won't eat out your investment and eat out what you're making. Once you have signed up your account and put in your investment, what you're going to do is you're pretty much going to search the platform, get comfortable with it. But the 2 main things you need to know to make this method successful and to start making money with Novatech is how to work the funding account and how to set up your e-wallet. First thing you're gonna need to do is connect your e-wallet. Now, an e-wallet is pretty much any crypto trading platform such as blockchain, Coinbase, Gemini, even Binance. But guys, let me warn you, I did do videos on Binance in the past. Binance has shut down in the USA, so don't go with Binance. You can use crypto.com or FTX. Now, to connect this e-wallet to your Novatech account, all you will have to do is go on your e-wallet tab on your Novatech account, press connect e-wallet or set up e-wallet, and just follow the steps from there. You will have to download the Google 2-factor authenticator so that you can, you know, be double verified when you're trying to withdraw your money. Just extra security, and this is why I love this platform. Unlike most crypto platforms, Novatech security is very, very intense. They do have a 24-hour crypto wallet address, meaning that after 24 hours your wallet address cannot be found, so that you can't be backtracked by hackers and that your account will never be messed with. And like I said, they also have that two-factor authenticator. Every time you want to withdraw your major money, anything over $1,000, you will have to put in the code that's on your authenticator app. Guys, this process literally takes less than 2 minutes to do. So once you have your e-wallet hooked up, guys, now you can withdraw your money to your wallet and start making money off of this platform. Now, another key thing that you will see under this e-wallet tab is the auto investment option, the auto trading option, which means that all the money that you make every week will automatically be rolled back over into your trading account. The way Novatech works is you have a bonus account and you have a trading account, and every week the money that you make on your interest, your ROI, will pop up in your bonus account. So this is the 3% compound interest that you're making, and if you let it stay there, your bonus account will keep stacking, but your trading account will not keep building, because your trading account is the money that you overall have in Novatech. So say you're starting off with $2,000, you will now have $2,000 in your trading account, and each Friday you will make, let's say, $20 in your bonus account, and you have the option to automatically roll that over into your trading account. So now you can start making compound interest on $2,020. So now the next week you're probably going to make $23, $25. And then you do have the manual option where you can every week go in and manually put in the amount that you want to roll over to your trading account. But guys, the key to this method is to keep putting your money into your trading account so that you can make more interest the next week. Now guys, I'm going to show you this compound interest calculator right here. You can find this calculator site at thecalculatorsite.com, and I really love this. This really gets me motivated. You can put in any amount that you want to invest. So we can start off with $5,000. You put in the amount of weeks and the compound interval, and as you can see, this is how much money you're going to be making with just an initial investment of $5,000. And if we bump the numbers up, let's just say we're a bigger investor, let's just put in $20,000. Now, you don't have to have $20,000. This could be after 2 years when you have now made $20,000 with Novatech. But let's say your account reaches that $20,000 mark. As you can see, this is how much money you will be making with a $20,000 in your trading account. 3% compound interest a week, and you can see the monthly revenue that you're making. Now, you can trade off of this Novatech platform, but I don't advise that because they don't have that many tools such as, you know, other crypto wallets and crypto accounts. So I just would recommend just strictly using this crypto investment tool, using this compound interest tool to pretty much have a savings account that makes you more money. As you can see right here, guys, we're gonna hop into the laptop, and you can see that I've been making up to $1,000 every single week when I had a lump sum of money into this trading account. And you can see how much money I was making with my investment, and right here I had about $15,000 in there, making this much. You really want to look at Novatech as a tool for just saving your money and making more money with your money. This is the key to wealth. You want to invest your money so that your money can work for you and you not working for your money, because if your money works for you, now you have the time to make more money in a different area. Guys, if you want the step-by-step video on how to start up your Novatech account, I do have a bunch of videos at the beginning of my YouTube channel going over how to start up your Novatech account, how to process a withdrawal, how to set up your two-factor authentication, and everything you need to know to be successful in this Novatech industry. Don't forget to subscribe so you can keep up with the updates with this platform. Everything in life is risky, and what's even more risky is not trying and staying at the bottom level. You gotta take risks in life, man. Don't be afraid to invest your money, especially if you can afford to do so. I'm just a good person trying to put money in your pocket, guys, and with this Novatech platform, you can definitely make up to $1,000 a week if you invest carefully and don't touch your trading account. Just let it grow, guys, and you will see immediate results, and you will see yourself starting to get rich slowly over time. Just think about it, guys. If you have $20,000, if you could scale up to make $20,000 with this Novatech crypto trading platform, just imagine just saving that $20,000 and not touching it for 1 year. Now you can make up to $100,000 in the next year, and then that $100,000 will flip you into $300,000 in just 3 to 4 years, guys. That is $300,000 of free money. $100,000 a year of free money, guys, just by putting an initial investment. So if you really want to get this on the ball, put in 10 bands, put in $10,000, make that thing grow to 30K. And the key to this, guys, is you want to play with the house money. You want to put your money in, and then once you make your money back, so if you put in 10,000, once you make 20 or once you make 30,000, take your money out, you know what I mean? If you don't want to take the risk of this platform eventually failing or something terrible going on, go ahead and take your hard-earned money out and just play with the house money. Just make nothing but compound interest on the money that Novatech is already giving you. And this is how you can make more money on top of your money and be successful and build generational wealth, guys, is finding these trading accounts. And if you subscribe to the channel and like this video, I will be providing you with more trading accounts and more ways to make money online the easy way, and more ways to make passive income. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, man. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because we post videos daily over here and we make investing easy. So be a part of the squad, be a part of the family, make this easy money. Until tomorrow, this is Black Investors Group. It's your boy KINGLATTA, and we out. Woo!